Hi everyone, just come to share with you another journal that I've completed. This one is a soft cover. It's got fabric, it's got lace trim, it's got a doily or placemat. I'm not quite sure what that was. That was gifted to me. I can't remember who sent it to me, but thank you. That's me just getting around to using it, and I think I had it for quite a while. I've added some of this lace trim here on the spine. The lace here has got the pom-poms attached to it, which I thought was quite nice. That's the fabric that actually you can't see much of on there now because I covered it all up, and these are left open so you can actually tuck things inside there. It measures 8 inches lengthways by 5 3/4 width, and it has one signature, 88 pages front and back. I've used a digital kit called Cottage Rose from Dreamzetc, and there is some Tsunami Rose and other bits and pieces of ephemera throughout the journal. So I will do a flip through. I've got some organza ribbon as a closure. So I've used some backing papers, 12 by 12 digital papers from Ephemoire inside this as well. So I've made a pocket here, and we have some ephemera, and this is from Dreamzecc's kit. It's a very pretty kit. As you can see, the lovely images here. So here I've got a flip up that's been sewn on. There's a bit of sewing going on in here. Some more ephemera, some tags, more ephemera and a tag. Some lace trim here. Very pretty papers. This is a pocket, but it flips open, and it's got a little booklet inside here. I meant to put this in the middle. And I tried the like the hang tags from Tracie Fox, so thanks Tracie for the tutorial. It kind of took me ages to do these. I messed up a few times, something so simple. I used some script from some Edith Holden pages, and I've just tucked them inside there because they do swing about. So that goes in there, and that closes. This paper here is from Artie Mays. We've got a doily here, a dictionary page, a pocket, paper bag, sorry, music paper, some lined paper. There's some stenciling and stamping. I done some decoupaging on some tags, and I done it onto some cardstock, and then I backed it onto some tea-dyed paper. So that pops on there. And we've got another swing tag. Yeah, once I got the hang of that, I was okay. I messed up one. There is a pocket here, and I've left the tails of the cotton, but that can be trimmed off. I've got some ephemera and a tag. This will be listed on my Etsy if anyone's interested. Done some stenciling on there. Here I done these pockets, tucks, holdbacks, whatever we'd like to call them, and they are inspired by Sue Olsen. So that's what we have in there, and that just tucks in. Tuck it in there. Same with that one. And again with that one. Got a doily and not book page, dictionary page, paper bag, some more music paper, some lined paper, stamping and stenciling. That's a very pretty page. Well, they're all pretty. Got a pocket here, and this is paper from Ephemoire. I will link everyone below of where I used their digital kits from. So that's what we have here. That's another decoupage tag. Some more stenciling, some more trim on here. Here we've got another flip up, and a tag, a handmade tag, and an ephemera piece, just tied in the middle. It's another flip up. Another pocket, some more ephemera, another decoupage tag, stencil tag, and a tag from the kit. And the ephemeras from Tsunami Rose. Paper bag, dictionary page doily, another one of these, and there's 3 items inside there, all from Tsunami Rose. I like to put it back because I never know where to, if I take them all out and set them on the side, I never remember where they all went again. Another side pocket. I was going to say a topic then. I was going to say tuck and pocket at the same time. Some ephemera, a tag, and some more ephemera from Tsunami Rose. Another swing tag, another decoupage tag, some stamping here, paper bag, dictionary page doily. This is a flip up with a few pieces of paper to journal on. Got a doily here, and we have another swing tag. There's 4 swing tags in this. A tag from the kit and some ephemera. Oops, that's okay. That's stopping that from opening up. The last page, we've just got some ephemera from Tsunami Rose, a tag and a tag from the kit, and this flips up, or does it? Yes, it does. Fingers are not working. And the back inside cover, it's got a tag, some ephemera, and a little double journaling card. So that is that journal, and like I said, I will link everyone below, and this will be on my Etsy. So if you have any questions, I'm terrible for tying these up. Ugh. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.